I'm Jacob, and this is a short Yoga Nidra to help reset your nervous system. Thank you for being here with me. Our nervous system is so intricate and powerful, with the important duty as the link between us, our bodies, and our minds, sending vital messages. It's important to keep the lines of communication clear and at ease. Adjust yourself into the most comfortable lying position possible. If it feels comfortable to you, uncross your legs, uncross your arms, and remain open, keeping those lines of communication of the nervous system fluid and unobstructed. As you find your position of comfort, bring your attention to your breath. As you draw the air in, imagine it filling all the crevices of your torso. Breathing into your belly, full expansion of the rib cage, and finally into your chest. And as you exhale, allowing yourself to hum as you release. The hum, a very effective way to activate your vagus nerve and bring a deep sense of relaxation to your nervous system. And again, drawing the breath in and releasing it with a hum, extending your exhalation as much as comfortable for you. And again. Continue doing this for a few more breaths, activating your vagus nerve even more deeply. Your whole nervous system receiving a massage from this gentle hum. As you let out your final exhalation, return your breath to its natural flow, in and out. I invite you to remind yourself at this moment of your sankalpa, or possibly your secondary sankalpa, and repeat it to yourself 3 times. If you don't have one, then feel free to use the following. I am safe. I am grounded. I am at ease. I am safe. I am grounded. I am at ease. I am safe. I am grounded. I am at ease. Narrowing your attention now onto your body, the beautiful, magnificent vessel which you occupy. Following the guidance of my voice, draw your attention throughout the body. Your focus cleanses the communication lines between your mind and body, starting with your mouth, sensing your mouth, cleansing it of any blockages in communication of your nervous system. The roof of your mouth, the tip of your tongue, the root of your tongue, upper lip, lower lip, the tip of your nose, the bridge of your nose, the right eye, the space between your eyebrows, the left eye, sensations of both of the eyes, your ears, right ear, left ear, the scalp and hair, the top of the head, the back of the head, all the way down to your brain stem, the base of your head. The whole face and head, along with your neck and throat. Right collarbone, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, center of the palm, fingers, your thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Back to the base of your neck, left collarbone, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, center of the palm, fingers, your thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Back to the base of your neck, front of the chest, ribs, navel, your entire pelvic floor. Feel the right hip, right thigh, knee, lower leg, foot, toes, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. Back to your pelvic floor, the left hip, left thigh, knee, lower leg, foot, your toes, your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. The left side of your body, the whole left side of your body, the right side of your body, the whole right side of your body. The whole front side of your body, the whole back side of your body, the entire body, your whole body as a unified field of sensation. Awareness throughout the whole body. Feel your whole body breathing. All the nerve endings in your entire body drawing in air, full of sensation. Begin to draw the air in through your feet and all the way up through your spine to the base of your neck and your brain stem. Each breath cleansing the lines of communication even further. And as you exhale, imagine the breath leaving at the top of your head and any obstructions, tension, or stress dissipating into the ether, just as smoke from a campfire. Continue breathing just like this, in through your feet and out through the top of your head. With each breath, you're able to feel the clarity overcoming your entire body. Once again, coming back to your regular breath, nice and easy, in perfect flow, nothing to change. Invite your sankalpa or your secondary sankalpa once more and repeat it to yourself 3 times. You might also wish to repeat the following: I am safe. I am grounded. I am at ease. I am safe. I am grounded. I am at ease. I am safe. I am grounded. I am at ease. Let's take 3 breaths together, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And again. And one more time. Draw your awareness to the earth, maybe placing your fingertips on the earth to feel its energy. And sensing the places where your back is touching the earth, fully supported. Allowing your other senses to wake up, taking in your environment. What do you hear? What do you smell? What do you feel? And whenever you're ready, allow more movement to find its way to your body, beginning with the most subtle movements of your fingers and toes, and gradually bringing more movement to the rest of your body. Fluttering the eyes open, and maybe rolling to your side to rest for a few moments. Feel free to rest a little deeper, a little longer. Thank you for practicing this Yoga Nidra with me today. I'm so grateful to be your guide, and I welcome you back to practice again. I love to hear about how you enjoyed this practice, so please feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel to practice with me again as I release frequent new content. I invite you to also explore my website, jacobmark.com, and my social media, it's Jacob Mark, to discover other ways we can continue to practice together. Wishing you a peaceful day. I hope to see you again soon.